Ever been a weirder use of an eye socket? Or of blood? This bloody lizard.
What's happening, guys, and welcome back to another awesome video on our channel. Animals are unpredictable mainly because they speak a different language than we do. But to some degree, most animal behaviors are relatively similar. However, some animal behaviors are just plain odd and can either be mind-blowingly awesome or downright frightening. So let's check out unusual and weird animal behaviors. Number 6. Fainting goats. Myotonic goats, aka fainting goats, would probably die quickly in the wild. Why? Because these goats faint when they get freaked out. Fainting goats have a breed characteristic known as myotonia congenita, a condition where the muscle cells experience prolonged contraction when the goat is startled. This causes the goat's muscles to freeze up when panicked, and they just fall right over. The stiffness of the goat when it faints varies from goat to goat. Number 5. Bloody lizard. It's a hard life out there in the wild. Nature is unpredictable, food can be scarce, and predators are a constant threat. This is why horned lizards have plenty of ways to avoid predation. Of all the peculiar animal behaviors, none are quite as gruesome as practiced by the horned lizard. Their skin is a camouflage. They run in small bursts to confuse predators, and oh yeah, some of them can squirt blood out of their eyes. They can stop blood flow leaving the head, which increases the blood pressure and ruptures the tiny vessels around the eyes. Predators do not like this. They can shoot blood up to 10 feet in the air. Number 4. Supersonic shrimp. The pistol shrimp is a 2-centimeter shrimp from the subtropics. Its amazing feature? The shrimp stuns its prey, other shrimp, by snapping its claws so quickly that it makes a sound that's louder than a gunshot. The noise isn't created by the snap itself, but by the loud jet of water that shoots off from it. The tiny stream bursts out at 60 miles per hour, making a low-pressure bubble in its wake. When this collapses, it creates a bang that's louder than a jet engine. For a tiny fraction of a second, the temperature in the bubble can become as hot as the sun. Number 3. Crows hold grudges against people for years. Science says don't cross a crow because they'll remember you for years. After mask-wearing scientists captured crows and then released them, the crows taunted and dive-bombed the people every time they had the masks on. The mean spirit persisted for years, and the captured crows even told others about the bad people. However, the scientists wore different masks when feeding and caring for the captive crows. In the birds' eyes, these people were just fine and not scary. So don't do anything bad to a crow because you'll be harassed for the rest of your life. They're some of the smartest animals after all. Number 2. These isopods eat fish tongues and then become the tongue themselves. While the cat has probably never literally gotten your tongue, this creature literally eats fish tongues. What is this monster, you ask? It's a type of isopod, making them related to roly-polies and other crustaceans like crabs. But let's skip on to the weird stuff. The tongue-eating isopod wriggles its way into a roast snapper's gills and then drinks the blood out of the host's tongue. Then, the isopod becomes a living tongue, helping to grind food against the teeth on the roof of the fish's mouth. Number 1. Cows that love compasses. Back in 2008, scientists noticed strange behavior among the most seemingly unremarkable of Earth's animals, cows. Thanks to a new perspective offered by Google Earth, they could see that cattle around the world weren't just standing haphazardly, but rather a significant portion of them appeared to purposely point themselves either north or south. Which leaves two questions: how and why? The common answer to the first question is that cows, like many other animals, may have magnetoreception, which is the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic fields. The answer as to why cows align themselves this way, however, remains something of a mystery. So remember, they might be animals, but that doesn't mean they can't be different. Do let us know of any other strange and weird animal behaviors that you know of and share it with us in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed the content of this video and wish to see more of it in the future, then all you have to do is like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and goodbye.